But can you do this?
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
What's up guys, Sal here. So over the past couple of years, smartphone designs have been evolving to give users as much as screen possible without making the phone any bigger. A lot of them adopted the notch to do that, but Oppo has different plans. They unveiled the Oppo Find X today, and the design of the phone is so space efficient that Oppo claims it has a screen to body ratio of 92.25%, and that's a new record. The most interesting aspect of the phone's design is its camera system, which is completely hidden when the phone is off or the camera app is closed. When you turn the phone on or open the camera app, the entire top section of the phone motorizes up and reveals the front and back camera and 3D facial scanning system. Close the camera app and the whole assembly motors back into the phone's chassis. Oppo says the phone can open in just about 0.5 seconds, which is fairly quick. The Oppo Find X does not have any sort of fingerprint authentication system, whether a traditional scanning pad or an under-screen system. Instead, the phone relies on its 3D facial scanning for secure locking. This requires the system to slide out, look at your face and unlock the phone, then slide back in. The mechanism is motorized and you'll not manually slide it with your hand however you like, so it will not get broken so easily. The same way how Vivo Nex camera is also motorized. But in Vivo Nex, the use is only limited to selfies, but the slide mechanism on this device has a greater chance of mechanical failure if it's overworked by unlocking the phone hundreds of times a day, take calls and taking front and back pictures. Vivo Nex doesn't have this problem because you barely take selfies. But unfortunately, the durability of the slide mechanism on this device doesn't seem so good, at least for now. Another thing I'm worried about is the dust. As you can see, there's a lot of dust collected in the pop-up system already, and dust is not good for moving parts in an electronic gadget, which again raises some question on the durability. In any case, the phone looks very similar to the Galaxy S9 Plus, thanks to its curved sides and rounded corners. The rest of the phone is not quite unique, but flagship through and through. Also, Oppo says that this is its first phone that will officially arrive to carriers in North America and Europe, and has unlocked all the necessary LTE bands of the Snapdragon chipset in the process. And the pricing is equivalent to about $700, which makes this device even more attractive. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this device in the comments down below, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.